The goal with this activity is to really strengthen the shoulders. Here's what you're going to do. Get a weight on one side only. You want to be in a staggered stance with a slight bend in the knees. Most of your weight's going to be on the back leg. You're going to do a lateral raise, but I don't want it directly lateral. You want to go thumb up, and instead of being directly out to the side, bring it a little bit forward as you come up. All you're going to do then, get an exhale, breathe in, exhale. You're going to reach the weight up as high as you can, and the angle that I'm going, folks, is here, not here. So I'm going to exhale, reach as high as I can, nice and slow back down. If you get it right, you're going to feel the deltoids working. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.